Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. So last week, the all share index opened at 487,000 and closed the week at 167,000. It kind of added, 6.20%, making an all-time high. Well, guess what? Last week was the strongest weekly performance of 2026. So you would ask, what's actually driving this bull run? Number one, confidence in the banking sector, especially after the successful banks recapitalization, which ended in March. Number two, oil price strength. We all know the Middle East tension between US, Iran, and Israel has shot the price of Brent crude up. It kind of oscillates between $94 per barrel to around $112 dollar per barrel. Companies in the oil sector, especially in the upstream sector like Aradel, are making a profit at this point. Hence, their stocks, making gains as well. So number three, strong Q1 earnings season in the banking sector, industrial sector, oil and gas sector, and the FMCGs. Number four, it's dividend paying season as well. Then lastly, number five, FTSE result restoration. Now, Nigeria Frontier Market status was restored by FTSE. Now, this will actually boost more foreign investor participation and confidence to invest in the Nigeria stock market. I believe they are part of the reason why they are actually, driving up the all share index this high. So, with all these factors listed, it just seems that the stars are aligned for the Nigeria stock market to thrive this period. Now, all share index surged, 6.20% in 1 week, which is actually the strongest this year so far. I urge you to consider taking, partial profits on large gains, gains you've made so far. However, hold on to core position in quality strong stocks. Now, let's see my stock recommendation for this week. Number one, Fidelity Bank. Well, Fidelity Bank is good one to buy, but it has been consolidating for the past 2 weeks now. But it shows an upward trend. Number two, Dangote Sugar. Dangote Sugar is a good one to buy. Number three, FCMB. FCMB is a good one to buy. Number four, ICO. ICO Insurance is a good one to buy. Number five, Wema Bank. Wema Bank is a good one to buy. Number six, NASCON. NASCON is also a good one to buy. That's all I have for this week. Do not forget to support the channel by liking the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and see you in the next video.